Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 2-player board games that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Thames and Kosmos Kahuna board game. Kahuna is an adventurous board game that is perfect for 2 players. This has a playtime of 30 minutes and is for 10 years and over. Moreover, it comes in a complete set and includes a rule booklet. In the game, you have to place the bridges and connect them to the island. It will also allow you to play 3 scoring rounds and win the game by having control over the island kingdom. Furthermore, this is a perfect strategy game and includes detailed instructions. This will let you rely more on tactics, and there will be fewer surprises. This game also has territorial control and players must put their tactical skills to be on the top. Moving on at number 4, we have the Days of Wonder Ticket to Ride, suitable for 2 to 5 players. This is Ticket to Ride board game. This is very easy to play and keeps your entire family well entertained. The ideal time required to play this game is 30 to 60 minutes, and it has many replay values. In this, you will find 225 colored train cars and is perfect for a tabletop enthusiast. Moreover, this will let players compete by connecting various popular cities in the USA. The player who has the maximum number of points wins the game. The game will also allow players to gain points from cross-country adventure. Furthermore, this has simple rules and comes in an attractive design. This is easy to play and provides wholesome fun. Moreover, this will also let players win additional points, and there will also be negative points. This is suitable for children over 8 years and improves their cooperative skills. This is a top-rated family game and is a winner-takes-all competition. No wonder this is the best 2-player board games. At number 3, we have the Sequence Game, a player board game that lets you have fun and thrill. This is suitable for children over 7 years old. This sequence game can accommodate up to 12 players at a time. Players can make either 2 or 3 teams and comes with sequence cards and 135 chips. Furthermore, this comes with game instructions in both English and Spanish. This is a game of strategy and lets you have excitement. This is suitable for adults and is also very easy to play. This will also let you have an individual play and provides fun for the entire family. Moreover, this comes with a cushioned playing mat that is very durable. This is easy to play and has a folding game board. In this, players or teams will have to make 5 card sequences to win the game. This is very challenging and also lets you block the opponents by removing their chips. It is one of the best 2-player board games on the list. At number 2, we have the Gamewright Forbidden Island. With an ideal playing time of 30 minutes, this player board game can fill 2 to 4 players at a time. The Forbidden Island game lets you have a fearless adventure and go on a do-or-die mission. In the game, players will have to capture the sacred treasures with a team of adventurers. Moreover, this is suitable for children for over 10 years and improves their strategic thinking. It will also enhance their problem-solving skills and makes them work in a team. Moreover, this will stimulate various abilities in children and comes in a complete set for you to start the game instantly. Furthermore, this is from a very popular game maker and it is very exciting to play. In this, you will have to use collaborative play to succeed in the game. The players work on the basis of cards and have a mission to overcome. Players will lose the game if the island sinks before the task is completed. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chutes and Ladders board game. The Chutes and Ladders is a perfect board game that lets any kid have fun. This is an ideal beginner game that is suitable for kids of 3 years and over. This can accommodate 2 to 4 players and does not require any reading. Moreover, this is very simple to play, and they will only have to spin the spinner. It is undoubtedly one of the most entertaining and best 2-player board games on the list. This is a classic game that allows your little one to practice numbers. Moreover, this is challenging and makes them scramble on the top without slipping down. Furthermore, this is perfect for making number recognition and improves their knowledge. The game is ideal for preschoolers. The game is safe to play and is ideal for bringing happiness for kids. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.